welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, I got a new wig for you, and it is from a brand called Curly Me Hair. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I always get so excited when I get new units. Now this one, OMGG, I am excited for it because it's like one of my signatures. It's like one of my signature looks. It's gonna take a little work with this one, I do believe, but nonetheless, I am excited to have her. She is a loose curl unit. She is just about 26 inches long. And yeah, I'm excited for this. Let me get her out the pack. Now, we do got some goodies in our package. I'm going to show you those too, but I haven't been this excited for a unit in a while. But look at this. OMGG, the waves are gorgeous. She is beautiful. 24 inches of beautiful loose wave hair. I love a textured unit like such. But inside the pack, we do have a couple of added tidbits. We have our wig caps here. We have the informational card here, and we have the removable band, as well as some really cute lashes. We'll definitely be wearing those at some point, but let's go ahead and get right into this unit. Now, she is pre-cut, pre-plucked. The knots are bleached. She's nice. So that was an extra strap because it has one inside, which is a bonus. I love that. Cap construction is relatively standard. Look at that. OMGG. She is beautiful. I'm excited. Let's go ahead and get it on. I'm ready to see it. I am ready. I love long, flowy locks. The lace looks really good. Though, of course, we will have to add our makeup to make it a little less, you know, pale. But it is very nice. Oh yeah, oh yeah, this is gorgeous, very pretty. This is like celebratory, like birthday hair, but of course, you know my motto, you wear your hair whenever you feel like. Whenever you feel like being glam and dolled up, put it on. Put that ish on. But she is absolutely gorgeous. OMGG. Look at the hair. Loving it. And this is straight out of the pack. Loving it, loving it, loving it. It's the length for me. But I'm going to just grab my makeup brush, and we're going to further just melt that lace. We're just going to push residual makeup into that lace so that the lace just dissipates into the skin. But the hair is gorgeous, okay? Curly Me really did their thing with this unit. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'll definitely be doubling back because this is my first experience with the brand. And right now, as it stands, I'm in love with the hair. I am definitely feeling the unit. But let me go and perfect my lace, and I'll be right back. All right, girl, we are back from camoing our lace, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. This wig as a whole is just gorgeous. The fit is comfy. The hair is just absolutely beautiful. I just love this loose wave texture. It is gorgeous, low maintenance, just absolutely beautiful. And I do recommend it in long lengths. This is glam. I love it. Did I say that already? I love it. I love it. But let me show you the length and give you some angles. She is gorgeous. Nice and full. It's beautiful. So definitely check it out. All the links, all the info is down below in that description box, so don't skip over. Definitely gorgeous hair, okay? Effortless, gorgeous hair. Definitely check out Curly Me, because Curly Me really got me curly over here, and I'm loving it. So yeah, girl, that is it for me. Hope you enjoyed today's wig review. Let me know what you think down below in that comments area. Until next time, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. Bye.